Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing the Pinterest chooses my makeup challenge because one, I don't know what to do. Like, I do not know what to do as a makeup look at all. Like, I'm I don't know. Or two, I'm tired of doing the same thing over again. Like, I'm tired of using the same products. I'm tired of just no. For three, I just want to be put out of my comfort zone. So I really want to start recreating your makeup looks. So on Instagram, tag me in the hashtag Micaylah Recreates. I will list it down below and on the screen. But before we get into this video, subscribe at the button down below. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. Why not? Subscribe at the button down below, turn the notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this one. And let's just get into this video so it doesn't be too long, because usually I have not been doing talk through videos, so they won't be as long for you guys. So let's just get started. So I'm just gonna open Pinterest on my phone, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put in like every product, like brow product, eyeshadow palette, stuff like that. So first we got brow product, and I'm gonna scroll down on the page, and the first thing I already did this one to see if it worked, but the first thing I see is Gimme Brow. So we're gonna go in with Gimme Brow on our brows, and I have it right here. So this will be the first thing we're going to use today. I'm gonna keep you guys pretty zoomed out. I ain't feeling the makeup look in forever. You guys are watching this on my birthday, by the way. Just saying. So wish me a happy 24th birthday down below. Your girl's getting old. I'm in Tampa, you know, with my bae. Don't know what we're doing at this time, but you'll see it on Instagram story. I want to carve out my brows, so we're gonna search concealers. If I can spell, we're gonna search concealers. We have Naked Skin, which I don't have anymore. We have Bare Minerals 16-hour full coverage concealer, which I don't have. I have Milani Conceal and Perfect. They have it, and that's the first product that I have, so we're gonna use Milani Conceal and Perfect shade number 3 as our concealer shade. Usually what I do when I use this as concealer, just take it on one of these brushes and just, you know, just do the thing. You guys, I am so like proud of how I grew out my brows, to be honest. Eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we got in luck. The first palette that came up that I have is the Modern Renaissance palette. So that's what we'll be using. And what I'm gonna do about the eyeshadow, I'm gonna look up Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the first like pictorial that I see and do my eyeshadow like that. So this is the look that we are going for. So that is actually very, very pretty. And it says number 1, she took the shade Tempera, this shade right here, and she put that on the brow bone. So that's what I'm gonna do because she did it. I've honestly never done a look like this. Okay, and then it says for shade number 2, she went in with Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. And she just put that, she really blew that out in the crease. So that's what we're gonna do. Orange in the crease and really blow that color out. Next one that she used was honestly one of my favorite shades, is the shade Realgar. And I swear this is like the most prettiest orange color. And she put that right under the crease, right under Burnt Orange. Hot chocolate break. Okay, so for the we're on shade number 4. So for 4, she used Primavera, which is the shimmer shade, but it's the gold shimmer shade. So that is like my favorite one, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna take the brush we used to cut the concealer with, and we're gonna grab some makeup setting spray. And for 5, she deepened up the outer corner with this shade called Cypress Umber. Ooh, that's not blending too good. Do you see that? You see that right there? Goodness. I never had that problem with this palette before. So, eyeshadow done. Now liquid liner. I have this Rimmel 24-hour color precise, but let me check. Found it, you guys. I have it. I know I had this in a plenty amount of colors because they sent me stuff. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. It's just a felt tip eyeliner. I don't think I've ever used this before, so good luck. Oh, it's dried out, I think. No, it's not. It just needed a little help. Okay, so yeah, that liner like killed this look, and one is longer than the other. Great. So we're just gonna do mascara. So I'm gonna search mascara. Ooh, my favorite. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise came up. It's right there. So next is primer. I'm just going in the order that I naturally go in. The primer that came up is the Professional by Benefit. So that's the one we're going to be using today. So I've seen a lot of people say they don't like it, but I like it. I like it a lot, to be honest. I just keep it in my T-zone. And you can't put too much, and I think that's where people go wrong. Okie dokie. I don't have NARS. I don't have MAC. I don't have Tarte. I have Born This Way. So first one that individually comes up is Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. So that's what we're going to be using, and I can tell you right now, this probably won't go good with this primer because, let me shake it, I haven't used it in a while. And I'm in the shade Warm Beige in this foundation. Since this is so watery, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it out with this brush. This is the Sigma F89 brush, and I'll link all the brushes, all the products down below, and some discount codes, so make sure you look down there. Some of them are not even affiliated, so make sure you do look down there. Okay. This foundation does not stick to my skin in my T-zone. Like, it like sits on top of my skin, and I can never get it to blend into my skin. That is the problem that I have. It's my shade. It's like, this shade is perfect. Can't lie about that, but this color though, I've gotten a little dark. And we're gonna go in with the concealer that Pinterest chose for us, which is this Milani Conceal and Perfect. And we're just gonna go in with this Sigma P89, which is the smaller version of the brush we just used. Okay, and then for setting powder, we're going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. You guys, I can't do anything. Like, I don't know what happened to the bronzer, highlight, lips, and bronzer, or whatever I just said. I said something twice, but I don't know. But I don't know what happened to the footage, so let's just see what I have to say at the end of this video. I'm so sorry. and I love everything. Like, I really like this look. If I could change the foundation, the concealer, and the liner, this look would be set. And I would go for more bold brows because it is smokier, and I definitely would put on false lashes, but I just don't want to irritate my eyes because I don't have any Benadryl and I don't feel like going to get any. So yeah, but this look has me wanting back my love for this shade of lipstick from ColourPop. Again, if you want me to recreate one of your looks, just on Instagram, use the hashtag, I'm sorry, I'm itchy. Just use the hashtag Micaylah Recreates. I will put it right here once again, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, make sure you